Guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to make carrot rice. So here are my ingredients. I have 2 onions, 4 carrots, and my rice. The rice that I'm going to use is sunrise basmati rice, as you all can see, and here is my cooking oil. So stay tuned as I take you step by step. So first I'm going to measure 2 cups of rice, 2 cups of rice, then put in a bowl. So that's the rice that I'm going to use. 2 cups of rice. After measuring 2 cups of rice, I'm going to add water on the bowl, then soak it for 30 minutes. I'm going to soak it for 30 minutes. As I'm waiting for the rice to soak, I'm going to work on my carrots and onion. So first I'll grate my carrot. I'm removing the outer cover, then grate it. After peeling the outer cover of carrot, I'm going to wash it. Then after washing, I'll grate it. I'm done grating my carrot, so I'm going to peel my onion, then I wash it before slicing it into pieces. So I'm going to wash my onion, then I slice it here on my chopping board. I'm done slicing my onion, so I'm going to start preparing my carrot rice. So here is the sufuria that I'm going to use to prepare my carrot rice. Okay, I'm going to put my sufuria. light my gas. So I'm going to add cooking oil. I'm going to use this one, like 1 serving spoon full of cooking oil. That one will be enough. I'll allow it to heat for some minutes before adding my onion. Now I'm going to add my onion and I'll allow it to heat until it turns golden brown. My onion has already turned to golden brown, so I'm going to add the carrot. I'm going to add carrot on it. After adding the carrot, I'll heat it. I'll mix with the onion before adding my rice. So I'm going to wash the rice and add it there. Here is my rice after soaking it for 30 minutes. Now I have my rice here, so I'll add rice there. So adding, I'll mix my rice with the carrot and onion. So I'm going to add 2 bowls of water. Then I'm going to stir it. Oh. Yeah, we are going to add salt, 1 teaspoonful. And we are going to allow it to cook for like 10 minutes. Oh, my rice is almost ready.